Tuesday, the 12th of January 2021. Use the correct tense. Today, guys, we're going to be using past tense and present tense. What is past tense? Past tense means it's already happened. Present tense means something's happening now. Here are some past tense verbs that you might see during your work today. We've got was, walked, yelled, boomed, felt, looked. These are all verbs that have already happened. You'll notice that some of them have an ed, making them quite easy to spot. Present tense verbs. These are things like is, walks, can, booms, cries, trusts, moves. Most of these finish in an S. These are things that are currently happening now. Try this sentence. Mr. Barlow walked to school yesterday. Is this past tense? Or is this present tense? Mr. Barlow walked to school yesterday. We know that this must be past tense. We have the verb walked. It's got an ed on the end, which means I've already done it. And the time scale was yesterday, so it was completed some time ago or in the past. What about this one? Mr. Barlow yells loudly. We know that this must be present tense. Look at the word yells. It means I'm doing it now. And it finishes with an S, just like our verbs at the start of the video. Here are some sentences based around our book, The Wild Girl. Let's have a look at sentence number 1 together. It says, the wild girl is, or was, a scruffy, dirty child. And it's telling us that we must put it in past tense. If we were using past tense, we would need to use the word was. Let's have a look at sentence number 2. It says, after a while, the girl walked to the mountains. We need to use present tense. What do you think it might be? Pause the video and have a go adding it in yourself. We know that it must be walks. It's present tense. After a while, the wild girl walks to the mountains. It means that she's doing it currently. Remember our rule, if it finishes in an ed, then it must be past tense. This is not, it finishes in an S, so it's present tense. Now it's your turn. Have a go at completing my sentences using past or present tense. Be very careful to make sure that you are putting it in the correct tense. Look at the tense I'm asking you to do in the brackets at the end of the sentence. You can do this in your homework book, or you can download the sheet and mark it up. Remember to take a picture and submit it. Good luck, guys! Remember, you can play back this video as many times as you like so that you get a good understanding of past and present tense.